How's it going, you guys? How's it going, you guys? How's it going, you guys? Good morning. 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 How's it going, you guys? How's it going, everyone? How's it going, you guys? How's it going, everyone? How's it going, you guys? How's it going, everyone? How's it going, you guys? How's it going, everyone? How's it going, you guys? How's it going, everyone? How's it going, you guys? How's it going, everyone? How's it going, you guys? Okay, it's better now. The music should be okay. Is it better? Hey Jack, how's it going? Haven't seen you for a long time. How's it going? How are you? Good to see you again, Jack. Hey, good morning, Crystal. Tell me a different story, Crystal. Tell me a different story, my friend. Dun, 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 dun. How's it going, everyone? Okay. Tell me something positive, man. Tell me something positive. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Jack. Hope you're doing okay. Are you getting better? That sounds good, Jack. Take care of yourself, my friend. Okay, something positive today, Jack. Don't look nervous. I'm watching that 40 resistance level. Try it again. One more. I got it. $185 with that trade. I'm 54 in the red with that account, but yeah. Yeah. I tried, my friend. Yeah, I'm watching that 440 resistance level. Down here, I'm watching 380 support level up here. So we're looking at 60-point price range right now. We are at the top of the price range, so I'm looking at that right now. Potential shorting at the top and cover at the bottom. Yep. She might want to go back and retest in that high again, 440 or so. Yeah. Yeah. I was going to go with 2 contracts, but I am kind of chicken out. Yeah, she might want to come back and retest in that 440 again. That would be awesome, that I can go back in and short it again. 440. Yeah, we are right here, then I don't really want to touch it in terms of going short. So I might push it back up here again. We'll see. Yeah, Jack. Welcome back, Jack. Yeah, take it slow, Jack. Take it slow. No hurry. Well, I was trying to push it back up there again, like I said. Here we go. Let me look at the 5 minutes and see how it looks like. This is the 5 minutes. Yeah, if she break out of this 40 levels, I might consider to go long. Not necessary to go short, but I'm watching right now. If it break of the 40 to 440, might have to go long. Yeah. Here we go, testing that 440 again. Let me go back to 1 minute. I'm watching for short too, so I'll have to see. But 440 our resistance level. See, if I'm shorting somewhere up here like 430 or so, 438, if I go short, I have to get out with 2-3 points stop loss on it. But yeah, other than that, I have to go long. My hard stop right now is at 10 points. Okay, testing that 440 again. Very, very strong, you guys. See if you can push through that 440 or not. I was going to go for it. At 38, I was going to go with 38, shorting at 38, and get out at maybe 40, 41, risking 3 points. I don't know, man. I kind of chicken today, but you guys know what I'm saying. Okay. Like I said, I'm casting 6 points. My take profits, my TP is 6 points. So here we go. We testing that 39 again, 39.40 again. Very, very strong, you guys. Look at that tail. Go. Hey. Okay. Just wait. Just wait for them to make up their mind. I don't know, Crystal. I don't know. How are you doing? And of course, yeah, Jack, I'm doing okay. I not as good as our friends John and Andy, but I'm trying. Like I said, I have other obligations and all that, but I'm doing okay, Jack. I mean, I request payout, and I'm doing okay. If you can check the Discord, we post our payout and all that. I'm doing okay, and my expense is really low too. I knock on wood that I have not blow up. Not many account lately. Wow, look at that, you guys. Yeah. Okay. So we know that it's our 40 is our resistance level up here, and maybe right now at 415 is our support level. Up here is 440 our resistance level, and our support down here at 415. So we are very, very in the tight price range right now, just like yesterday, super tight, and see how the MOC go, but super tight right now. For the last 15 minutes, it's super tight. Oh, thank it, yeah. Well, look at that. You just broke that 414. Wow. 415 so. Very risky to take a short right now. See if 415 is hold. If not, I'm going to go short. I mean, honestly, I'm going to go short. If we break that 415 and get out with 2-3 points and trying to catch, might go all the way down to 80, 380. But let's see. Here we go. That's scary, man. Risky, but I'm going to go. Come on. Doesn't want to go. I tried to take a short right there, but it didn't take me. Yeah, I tried to short at 414. She might go all the way down to 80. $80 for sure. That's okay. I'm be super patient, you know, not trying to take every trade I see, but very, very selective. That's okay. If you know, I know I miss a lot of trade for the last 7-10 minutes, but that's fine. A lot of good trade, good setup. But again, I'm watching for that 415 to hold our resistance level now. Down here, I'm watching for 380 to hold our support level. Yeah, I miss a lot of trade, that's for sure. A lot of good trade. Yeah, but I hope you guys making money. I mean, look at this here. Okay, push it back up here again, 415, our resistance level. I went long. I'm out. No good, no good. Like I said, my stop is super tight, 10 points, so I got to get out. So yeah, I'm looking for long. I'm looking for short. You know, with that 415 levels, it broke that, and I thought maybe she can push another 6 points, but it didn't look like she wanted to push anymore. So I got out with maybe a couple points loss. But this is the name. This is the game that I'm playing. You know, I do not have 20 points or 30 point stop loss on with my trade. That's why I got out very quickly. See, I get in, I expected to move from, minimum 6 points for me. But doesn't look like she's going to do that, so I got out with a couple point loss. But yeah. Yeah, right now my hard stop loss is 10 points. My take profit is 6 points, but it doesn't mean that I'm going to move my take profit. If I can see some good price action come in, I'll move my take profit for more. I'd really squeeze as many point out of the trade. Not necessarily 6 points, but a minimum of 6 points that I'm trying to get out of that trade. But yeah, I usually, if you can see, if you see my trade, I usually move my take profit if I can see it's, more coming in my direction. So yeah, it's just not tradable for sure, you guys. I mean, just like in this level, she doesn't want to move up or down, so very tough right now. Very tight. Oh wow, 400. Yeah, of course I'm watching for that 400 too. We are at 400 and 415s. We are in this price range right now, 400 and 415. Man. Just broke that 400 and she didn't look back. Here we go. Broke that 400. I did not take that trade. That 8 points. 8 points. 8 points. One contract at $160. Two contract, $320. Go! Got it. $240 with that trade. I was watching and waiting for that 400 to break. I mean to hold, so I can go short. Not too bad. Yeah, not too much money, but you guys know my point. It's about how you trade. It doesn't matter how much money you make, because you can double that, triple that, quadruple that. It's about how we trade. The money will come. That's what I'm trying to do right now. Watch for that 400 again. I was trading two contracts instead of one, so and it was 6 points. The reason I did not move my take profit because I don't see it that I can squeeze any more point out of that trade. So I thought, okay, 6 points is fine. And that was 2 contract too, so 6 points, 2 contract. Okay, we go. 400. Not a bad idea to thinking of going long. We'll see. Nope. She has to close above that 400 in order to think about going long. But right now, I don't think so. Another 30 second, 20 second, 26 second. And the sellers step in and push it back down again. I'm trading my mini today. Mini, not micron. I'm watching for that 400. She's trying to push 3-4 times now to go through the 400, but doesn't look like I kind of rush it. She has to push now. I'm in trouble. Go. And again, 6 point. She has to go now. I'm out. She doesn't want to go, man. It's crazy. I'm out. 50 bucks. Took a $50 hit, but I know. Now she goes. Yeah. And you can see that my trading is kind of super conservative. Like, get how it's as fast as I can. Because my stop is super tight, 10 points. So I have to get out. See, I mean, she had a chance to push on that second new candle, and she did not do that. So I go, doesn't look good. Did not look good. So I got out. See, got out, and she went what? How many points against me? 4 or 5 points against me. That is $200, you know. So, and again, I'm trading a 50K account with Apex, and you know how that is. Drawdown and all that, you know, daily drawdown, really killing me. So I have to get out. Look at that. Now see, yeah, it's just not tradable. I thought I could squeeze 6 point out of that trade, but yeah, sometimes, yeah, like I said, in this business, man, I don't know how, but the way I trade, I have to get out. But like I said, I'm not blindly take a 6 point profit. If I can see if it's going my direction, I just move my stop loss and I move my take profit to squeeze as much point out of that trade. But I'm not saying that, oh yeah, I'm risking 10 points to make 6 points. Yeah, that sometimes maybe that is the case. But most of the time that I move my take profit, I move my take stop loss to squeeze 20 points out of a trade. So, hey Andy, what's up, man? How's it going, Andy? Jack is back, Andy. Jack's back. Welcome him back. Hey, really? Wow. Just tell them that you don't speak English. Me no English. And they say, okay, you can go home. They can excuse you. Can you do that? I mean, can you do that still? Oh man, no, Monday, huh? Yeah, just tell them, man, hey, me no English. Me no English. I know. It's our duty. It's our duty. Oh yeah. I hear you. Oh, you did? Wow. I know, man. I mean, you guys really good at that, man. When I'm talking or thing like that, I cannot trade. I have to focus to trade. Look at that. Breaking that 400 again. I think I'm too early. Come on. Really make me nervous, man. Go! Go! Push! Please push. Go! Got it. Yeah, that's 2 contract, $240. Remember we was talking about 400? She broke that 400, and I was talking to Andy, and he said something about he put in a trade. I go, okay, let me focus. I thought maybe a little bit too late for me, but I thought why not? I'm going to get out with 2-point stop loss on it. I mean 2-point mental stop loss on it. But it's I was lucky that the trade went my way. $240 with that trade. Not too bad. $300 for the day. Awesome, you guys. Yeah, watch for that 400. Now our 400 become our resistance level. Dun, 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 dun. Yep, thank you, Andy. Oh, you did? Damn it. This guy, man. Oh, wow. See, that's what I'm saying, man. Andy and John, man, they pretty quick in catching this, man. For me, like, geez, I have to breathe. And he's just in and out, man. This is crazy. I don't know, man. Maybe this is what happens when you're getting old, huh? When you're at 80 years old, you don't act like Andy anymore. Man, I feel like I'm 80 years old, man. Andy and John make me feel like I'm 80 years old. Man, you got in and out very quickly. Sometimes I go, okay, let's see. I know you are. Young man, you're still a young man. You're speaking to 80 years old here. Man. Feel like an 80 years old. We move very slow. We 80 years old. We move very slow. Look at this. I mean, I'm sure that Andy caught another 3 points here. Yeah. That's fine, man. You do you. I'm not fast enough. You do you, my friend. I hear you. I know, man. I mean, in a good way though. You catching $60 here, $60 there. You know, they all add up. I don't know, man. This is what happens when you're getting old, man. 48, Andy, 48. You are a young man. Look at that. I'm sure that Andy caught another $65 here. Man, they all add up. And that's how Andy and John making money, man. They're really fast. Good at it, too. I don't know, man. Me getting old. Look at that. Just broke that 415 that we were talking about, too. Now she's pushing a lot more. Look at that. Man, I have to be really active. What do I need to drink to make me active, you guys? I mean, coffee may not be enough. I need something stronger than coffee, man, to make me go just like that. Just go in and out, in and out, in and out, making money. I need something stronger than coffee, man. Vietnamese coffee. No, I heard that Cambodian coffee is much more stronger than Vietnamese coffee. I don't know if that's true or not, but I thought I heard someone saying that I should drink Cambodian coffee. Maybe John drinking Cambodian coffee, man. Yep, you and John. I don't know about that, Chino. I don't know that. I don't know about that. I mean, Crystal. I am just saying, Chino. Or maybe it's about me. It's not got to do with coffee or anything. Here we go, breaking that 400 again. Wow, what time is it? 12:07. Wow, look at that candles. Wow. Wow. Well, let's may break this and go to the VWAP. Wow, if she break this, man, she can go all the way down to what? 300. That's another 80 points. Wow. I don't know, maybe I have to watch. If she break that 80, 78. Okay, I'm watching that. 78. Touching the 78 and push it all the way back up again. Catching that 80 again. Very risky. Got it. 6.2 contract. Very, very risky to play with that breakdown. Very, very risky, but I was lucky. Caught that 6 points. Not too bad. Another green trade. Not too bad, you guys. So basically, we are hold. We hold at 380. Up here at 400. So 20 points price range right now. Yeah, 6 points. Super tight. Price range, super tight. Again, I'm doing 2 contracts. My hard stop is 10 points. Take profit 6. Yeah, I will not trade right now. Very, very tight, and nope. If I do this right now, I'm going to lose money. Keep reminding myself that. Here we go, retesting that low again. Very, very, very risky if I take a short. Very, very risky. But it can be rewarding too. Man, one that break will go all the way down to the VWAP, and if break that VWAP will go down to 300. And that is a very, very strong support at 300. But again, in and out very quickly. Basically, see money, take money, basically. When it go against me, I'll go get out very, very quickly too. Sometimes, man, I just freeze and said, oh, let it play out. But that's when I lose money. I get out, and then I can always get back in. The way she moves right now, I don't like to go long. I can be wrong, but very risky again. I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. Give back for nothing. I just keep saying to myself that very risky, do not trade, but somehow, man, I took the trade. That's what happens, you know. I keep saying to myself, no, don't trade like that, but keep trading. Look at this. See, this even with this right here, I want to go back in short, but I keep saying that not to trade at this level, but I keep doing that. Look at that. I just keep saying that I should go back in short. Give back $400 for nothing, but lesson learned, right? Patient is key. No rush. And I say to myself, I have to get out, and I just did not get out. See, look at this here. I'm trying to lure me back in to go back in shorted. Look at this. You see how she moves? Really want to lure me in and say, go short. Go short. And then as soon as I click on that mouse, and then she push it back up again and take me out for another $400. You know how that goes, man. Go short. And as soon as I click on that mouse, man. So, patient is key. Yeah, the way she moves right now got me thinking that I better consider to go long. Go! Go! Got it. $240 again, 6 points. Okay, it's a little bit better now. Still in the green for the day, but yeah, still in the green. Right at that 398 and a half. I got out 398 and a half, and now resistance level at resistance level at 400. See if she pushed through that 400. Did you get in? Did you get in, Andy? I'm sure that Andy get in at this level right now. I would get in too. I don't know why I didn't click that buy button. I would get in and get out at 399, risking like 4 or 5 points to make maybe more than 6 points. That's okay. I'm checking, man. That's okay. Anyway, how's it going, everyone? How are you trading today? Whoa, what is that? Yeah, very tight, you guys. Man, have to watch for that 78 to break. Man, if to break that 78, man, I'm gonna go all in on short, man. Yeah, super tight. I'm not going to take any trade. A few times now. Oh, wow. Tempting to go short. Go! Go! $240. Very, very risky. Like I said before, it can be rewarding too, but $240. $240. Not too bad. Yep, this is how we should trade, you guys. I mean, be patient, have an open mind. We can go long, we can go short, not blindly applying our bias on the market, right? Wow, now the VWAP. Like I said, if she breaks that VWAP, man, she will not look back. I'm risking it. Ah, what the? I'm a second too late. Wow, she come back. Let me risk a few points here. I don't mind. Okay. $240. Not too bad. Very risky. Not too bad. Good trade. Very good. Yeah, she might go all the way down to 300, man. Testing that 300. Yeah, she can go all the way and test that 300. Hey, Ambi, yeah, it's Mini. She might want to come back and retest that 380 again. Yeah, I got a feeling, man. She's going to go all the way down to 300, man. Testing that 300. Go! 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 300, here we go. Go! 300, here we go, go! Come on. 300, come. Come on. Yes. God damn it. Touching that 300 came back up again. Done. Oh, Jesus. See, you guys, you see what I'm saying, man? It's crazy, huh? That's what I'm talking about. See, even though sometimes, like I said, my take profit is really small, 6 point. My hard stop is 10 point. That's the maximum that I'm going to risk on the trade. But like I said, man, if I can see that potential, and I've been talking about this for so long, like 300. See, went all the way down to what? 303 came back up again, and I got out at what? Done. Yeah, like I said, man, in this trading, man, we must have our stop losses super tight, and watch, you know. Awesome. Wow. Awesome, you guys. You know, let me switch account. Let me see. Which account should I trade on? Hey, Kim. How's it going, Kim? Make any trade today, Kim? 66. How are you, Kim? Believe it or not, I have not traded my 66. Okay. Okay, I did switch account. Thank you, Jack. I appreciate you. I try, my friend. I try, huh? But you know how we should trade already. Make sure that our stops super tight, and have an open mind to switch your you know, either go long or go short. You know, yeah. But anyways, transferred him some money. Transfer $1 million to Crystal. Hey Flo, how's it going? How are you, Flo? Yeah, remember we was talking about like all day yesterday and the day before about 300. Remember we was talking about that? Very strong support at 300. Yeah. It came down all the way to 303. Push it back up again, but it might push and then break that 300. So shorted. Okay, you do you. Shorted. I don't know, man. Right now I'm just take it easy. Well, I'll have to wait, man, because remember we were talking about 300. It's really strong support, and I don't want to short it right now. Very, very strong support at 300. It's not surprising me that if she can push all the way back up to the VWAP again. So like I said, we got what 30 more minutes to go. I'm not in a rush. We'll wait. You know, we don't have to trade a lot, you guys. I mean, just 1, 2, 3 trades good enough. We don't have to take so many trades. You know, just be patient. I guess be patient. It's time. Yeah. Hey, how's it going, Mavic? How's it going, man? I'll go all in the 350. Okay, I'll go all in, my friend. Dun 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 dun. You did. You scare me, Andy. You know what? To be honest with you, Andy, I think I should push myself to trade in the morning with you, with you guys. I'm sure that you and John and everybody traded in the morning at market open. I do want to go back to that. So yeah, man, you're too aggressive, man. That's okay, man. Yeah, Andy, I promise, man. I promise we'll wake up at 4 a.m., get ready, and go on and trade with you guys. But the bottom line is kind of, it doesn't matter, huh? It doesn't matter what time you trade if you know what you're doing and be super disciplined, risk management and all that. Doesn't matter what hour you trade, you still can make money, right? Opportunities and all that. You can make money any hours, but as long as you have your risk management in place, I'm sure that we can. Yeah, but yeah, I can't wait to adjust my time to have like go live like an hour and a half in the morning, and then also an hour and a half before the market close. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Yeah, but when the time comes, I hope that you guys can come and hang out in the morning with me. Remember what I was saying, that it will go all the way to VWAP and testing that VWAP. She went all the way almost to the VWAP. Now she's coming back down again. So VWAP, we're looking at this VWAP at what, 64, 65. Yeah. I mean, like, go live at 6:30 in the morning. Like California time. Go live at 6:30, and then hang out, and then start trading at 7. It's not a bad idea. Yeah, I can do that. Right. Go live at 6:15, 6:30, and then see how the market goes, and we'll start trading at 7 for an hour and a half. And then go to the gym or something like that, and come back and do an hour and a half before the market closes. Yeah. I know, man. How you do it, man? I don't know, man. How you do that? I mean, Jesus. You know what? If she push all the way back up to 80 again, it may be an opportunity to go back short again. But we'll see. You see how the price action is going to be. But yeah. Yeah, I know. I hear you, Andy. I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know. Sometimes, like I went short, right? And then you suddenly you go, okay, you should go long now. It's very difficult for me to like make that adjustment like right away. It takes me a couple minutes before I go, okay, I'm better looking for short. I'm looking for long, whatever, But I don't know. For me, it's a little bit harder to do that. Maybe I have to spend more time on the screen to make that kind of adjustment very quickly. But for me right now, it's very tough for me to go, okay, let me go short and let me go long and things like that. It's like it give me, I need, I don't know, for some reason it take me, I need a couple minutes before I can go, okay, let me go long or let me go short. Yeah, but yeah, I think that's something that I need to work on, to make that adjustment like right away. Switch my buys right away, saying, okay, I should go short now, I should go long now. Yeah, that's something that I need to work on, that for sure. I see some weakness right now, you guys. I see the resistance level at the VWAP at 62. Well, I'm watching for that. Here we go. Go! Give it to me. Come on. I'm out. She doesn't want to give it to me, man. It's $90. That's fine. $90. $90 is $90, right? Man, I expect her to push some more, but like I said, if I'm really patient, I just really patient to wait, I'm sure that she'll come back down. But sometimes, man, that's fine. That's something I need to work on too. Just like give it some more room to breathe, you know. Just maybe move my stop loss to break even. At least at the minimum, I'm break even. Get out with break even. But the potential go all the way down to 300. A lot more than she'll come back and take me out at break even. So that's something that I need to work on. Yeah. But like I said, yeah, that was one contract too. It's not like two contracts or anything like that. Yeah, that's something I need to work on, you guys. I mean, I already moved my stop loss already to break even with like $20 or something like that. But I don't know. I'm the type of person that if she doesn't want to move in my direction right away, I hate it for her to come back and go against me. Even with $90, you know, with $90 still a lot of money. But knowing that I can get back in and reshort it, but yeah, but that's fine. $90 is $90, so yeah, she'll go back. I mean, she'll go back to 300, retesting that 303 again. So yeah, so it was only one contract, and I already moved my stop loss to break even too. So that's something I need to work. I need to work on that for sure. Not too bad today. Yeah, sometimes I'm keep saying to myself that do not worry about how much you make, how much money you make right now. Just do not. Of course, I do worry about that, but I'm just keep saying that it's not important as how I trade and how I control my emotions and my risk management and that. That's what I'm counted on right now. That's what I'm trying to learn right now. Yeah, but making money, that time will come. I know that for sure. Once I, be disciplined, when to risk management, control my emotions 100%. Yeah, but that time will come. Man, I'm sure that I will. I can make a lot of money. That for sure. But before that, I have to learn how to control my emotions and risk management in place. That's the key for me right now. It might not look a lot right now, but I will for sure. I will, keep learning and yeah. Yep. Retesting that VWAP again. Oh, you got it, Flo. You got it, my friend. Hey man, you better watch for that 65, man. 65, 67. What the price? What is the price? What the target you're looking for, Flo? You looking for 80, 380? What are you looking for, Flo? That was a good call, man. That was a good call. I didn't see that, but. You did it, Crystal. Yeah, that was a good call, Flo. Wow. Let me see. 380. 380 next. Well, 9 more minutes. 9 more minutes, you guys. MOC 444. Damn, all the way up here. Ay, wow. Okay, Flo. Man, good luck to you, my friend. 444 is all the way up here. Okay, man. 444. I'm watching for that 380 though. Our resistance level 380. Dun dun dun. Yeah. Yeah, you know, in trading, doesn't matter who, to be honest with you, doesn't matter who you watch, or it's up to you. Each of us has our own style of trading. It's up to us to develop our own style of trading. It's not that you're watching me and you see that, oh yeah, he make the trade or that trade or something like that. Or you watching somebody else and all that. But it's just up to us to develop our skill and our risk management and all that to style of trading. Yeah, it's up to us. Each of us trade different. It's like I said, Andy can go long and I can go short. We both can make money. You know my point. So it's up to us to figure out what is our edges, and then go from there and stick with that and go from there. You know, like I said, you all know that the way I trade already. My risk my risk is like 10 points. Sometimes I go crazy at 15 points, but that's my hard stop. But then my take profit usually 6, 7, 8 or 10 points. But I basically move my stop and move my take profit if it goes in my direction, you know. So yeah, we have to develop our own style of trading and profit from that. Yeah, because you cannot say that, oh yeah, this is what I call for the price, the top, and this is what I call for the bottom, and then you guys follow that. It will not work. You know, you have to develop your own style of trading and profit from that. You know, like I said, each of us are different. Our emotions and all that are also different. So we have to develop our own. Yeah. But at least at the minimum, you have to understand that you must put on your risk. You know, I mean, risk management, that's the key. At the minimum, you have to have that. And then, like I said, as for me, in the morning I walk in and say, okay, this is the top and this is the bottom. Where is it now? So I just draw the line. Where is it now? And then just look for the price actions and that, and see how, you know, to take the trade from that. You know, how to profit from that. Yeah, but you have to, you know, you have to look at the bigger pictures and basically develop your own and all that. Yep, like I said, doesn't right Andy. I mean, doesn't matter if you I like the way Andy trade or not liking the way he trade. The bottom line is he produced result. You know, he proved that his method work. But doesn't mean that if you apply exactly the same way, you will make money. See, that's what I've been saying, that we have to develop our own, maybe learn from Andy a little bit, say, okay, this is how he make money, and then see if I can incorporate some of his idea to mine, and see if I can profit from that. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is, yeah. But believe me, I mean, if you can hear Andy saying that, oh yeah, this is how I trade, this is my stop loss, and you go, what? This is your stop loss? You know what I'm saying? But it doesn't matter what you said, right? He produced result. He making money. He making, like a couple last month, he making like $35,000, you know, like in payout and all that, you know. So, we, like I said, basically we learn from that and see if we can incorporate some of his idea to our way of trading, and see if we can make some money from that. So yeah, that's what trading all about. You know, you just cannot say that this is the way and this is the only way. There no way that you will allow yourself to say something like that. There's many different ways. It's up to us to develop our own way and make money from that. Okay, I'm talking too much.
With every beat, the spirit clears. Embracing love. His name
Yeah, I'm not saying that I'm a master of anything, but I'm trying my best, trying to learn every day. You can see throughout my trading, man, I screwed up big time, but I'm just, you know, show up and have an open mind to learn, you know. Nobody knows everything, right? Like I said, I'm learn a little bit from Andy, learn a little bit from John, and all that, you know. Like I said, I'm going to learn from everybody, you know. But like I said, I'm not going to saying that okay, his way is the only way, you know. I have an open mind, you know, to see if I can learn a bit from here and there, and see if I can use that to my advantage, you know. Yeah, enough of that.
As Hanuman brings strength to the fore.
We need good music. You don't like my music anymore? Okay, let me work on some music.
The path is clear.
Maybe I have to ask what his name, Mavic, to make some music for us. Mavic, if you're still here, man, make some good music, man, for us, man. You're good at AIs and stuff. Make some good music, my friend, so you can use some good motivational music. Mavic, we need your help. We need your help with the music. Yeah, it's time. It's time to replace my music with something else.
Almighty One with mace in hand.
Oh yeah, remember Andy? I told you. I told everybody yesterday. I put in a request, a payout. It's almost $1,000 on Sunday night. What time? Wow, 12:50 on Sunday night.
In his presence.
And they just approved my payout yesterday. Yesterday morning. That's Apex.
In the temple's sacred halls, incense drifts and devotion calls.
I don't know, Flo, man. Trying to take some profit, my friend. I don't know. 44 is possible, yeah. I don't know. It might go up to 40 or 38. I don't know, man. But yeah, that was a good call though, Flo. I have to give it to you. That was a good call. I hear you, my friend. Yeah, if you have your stop loss in place and all that, man, you're good, my friend. But that was a good call. They put your fake trading with fake money. They did. I don't know. Yeah, they approved me, but you know, yeah, lately, like I said, I thought it was something else, but and then in terms of payout, kind of slow too. You know, with Topstep, like within a day, I see money in my bank right away. But with Apex, it took like 3 to 4 days, sometimes 5 days. But again, they spell that out in the contract, saying that will take them 4 to 8 business, for something like that, business days, for 5 business days, for something like that to hit your bank. But that's true. They stated that in the contract. But if they can improve that would be awesome. But yeah, it takes a little bit longer to pay to receive payout from them than Topstep. Topstep's pretty quick. They said, okay, we approve your payout, and then in a few hours sometimes I see money in my bank right away. But with Apex, kind of a little bit slower. 4 to 5 business days before the money hit in my bank. But they paid, so they pay for sure. Yeah, flow. Yeah, like I said, I have one account waiting for the money to hit my bank, even though they approve it. I don't want to trade that account yet. I just want to wait for the money to hit my bank before I can start trading with that account again. But that's fine. I have like 9 or 10 accounts to trade. So here we go, Flo. 444. Come on, man. You scared me, man. Just lock in profit. 440. So close. Man, it looked as he wanted to push it to 440, man. Not for sure. 440. Yeah. I know, I hear you, but I don't know, man. Scare me, man. I just want, okay, let's wait for a few days. But I have other account to trade anyway. It's not that I don't have. It's not that I only have 1 or 2 P8 account. I have like more than 9, so I have plenty of account. But I'm just saying, I kind of okay. I'll wait for the money to hit my bank. They took out the money from my bank, my account already, so I'm just waiting. But yeah, I hear what you're saying. Oh yeah. Yeah. But you have 20 accounts anyway, Andy. You have 20 accounts, man. You have 20 accounts. I mean, you don't have to trade that account right away. You can trade a different account. But again, you request like 5 or 7 payout at a time, so I guess you have no choice. But once they approve it, you have to trade. But now I only have 1 right now. So, oh, it did profit. That's a good flow. Yeah, I mean, sometimes, man, like I said, if I don't see it, if I can squeeze any more points out of it, man, I just get out. Yeah, I mean, you just cannot catch them all. But it was a good call, my friend. Good job, man. Yeah, I think I'm done for the day, you guys. I mean, I don't see anything right now. It's kind of dangerous too to trade the last 5 minutes in that, and I don't want to give anything back. I'm basically done. Yeah, but like I said, it can go either way. Right now, it's like kind of gamble right now. To be honest, 100%, man. It's right now, just kind of gamble right now. It's no technical or any of that at all. So it's just kind of gamble right now. To me, it is right now. But yeah, I guess I'm basically. You guys put your votes in. You guys vote at all? Only 10 of you vote. You got to put some more. You got to place your vote before I end this. Yeah, let me end this here. I lost everything. Come on, man. Be positive. And Crystal, man. Be positive, man. You know, every time I wake up in the morning, I go, I'm a winner. I'm a winner, even though I have not done anything yet. I just walk in and say, I'm a winner today, man. You know, be positive. Be positive, man. I walk into my office. I'm a winner today. I'm going to make $1,000 today. I'm going to make $2,000 today, something like that, you know, right? Yeah. Be positive, my friend. You'll be okay. You'll be okay, man. Be positive. Don't say that, man. You know, the bottom line is, you know, I always say to myself, man, it's kind of personal, but I always say to myself, man, nobody loved me more than I love myself. That, I don't know. I just said, man, you should love yourself. You should love yourself. don't talk bad about yourself. You know. Always saying, I'm the best. I am awesome. You know. Yeah. Even though I have a tough day, I go, I am the best. I will do better tomorrow. That's my attitude, to be honest with you guys. That's my attitude, man. Even though I have a really bad day in terms of business or trading, thing like that. And I go, I am the best, man. I am the best. And I promise to do better tomorrow. You know, tomorrow is a new day. Yeah. I know. That's the reality of trading, right? That's the reality of trading, man. But we have to. But see, it's really nice about the market. It's this. If it doesn't love you, doesn't mean that it's not loving you. You can go long, you can go short. You went short in the market going higher, then you have to go the other way. You have to go short instead of long. So you have a choice, you know. It's not that you don't have a choice. You have a choice. So, yeah. Oh, you did? Wow. Hey, post it in the Discord. Post it in the Discord and see what how you trading today. Yeah. Anyway, that was awesome. This is awesome trading day today, you guys. Thank you so much, you all. Thank you all for stopping by. Thank you, Andy and Jack. Thank you so much for stopping by. Then came back. Take it slow, Jack. Take it slow. You'll be okay, my friend. Take it slow. You'll be okay. And welcome back. And I hope you're doing okay with your health and everything. Take care of yourself. And Flo, good job, man. Good job. And Andy, thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Laughter, thank you for commenting. And Kim from Korea. MB. Who else? And True Seeker. Thank you, everyone. And I hope to see you tomorrow, huh? Tomorrow's Friday? Wow, look at that. Tomorrow. Okie dokie, we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much once again, you guys. You guys have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Awesome day, you guys. Take care of yourself.